SD Touch 2 Energy and Cost Graph. These instructions are for electric ovens. Contact your distributor or area sales manager for information on how to activate the energy cost graph for oil and gas ovens. Go to Settings and enter your PIN code. Go to Energy. The energy graph is displayed. Choose to see energy consumption for the last 7 days. Choose to see energy consumption for the last 24 hours. Choose to see energy consumption for the last 31 days. See the energy consumption for each day or for every hour of the day. Go back in time as far as you want with the arrow buttons. Go back or forward in time as much as you like with the arrow buttons. Go to current time with highlighted icon. Press the icon in the top right corner to see the cost graph. If the cost factor has been set, the cost graph shows the cost, timeline for 31 days, 7 days, or last 24 hours. Go back or forward in time as much as you like with the arrow buttons. If no cost factor has been set, it will show this when pressing the cost graph icon. To set the cost factor, go back to Settings menu and enter the Service menu. Press Energy. Swipe to the bottom of the Energy tab. Enter your cost for 1000 kilowatt hours with desired currency. Cost graph is now activated. When the cost factor has been set, the cost for every single bake will be shown at a finished bake. If you ever wish to remove all the data from the energy graph, press the Clear button and confirm.